TLE EPP 6 Agriculture Quarter 2 Week 2. Let's learn about orchard gardening. Hello kids, it's me, Teacher Frel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification bell for the latest video. You can also follow my Facebook page, Teacher Frel TV. For today's lesson in TLE 6, we will discuss about orchard gardening. For most essential learning competencies, uses technology in the conduct of survey to find out the following. Elements to be observed in planting trees and fruit-bearing trees. Market demands for fruits and famous orchard farms in the country. In this lesson, you will learn the use of technology in the conduct of survey to find out the following. Elements to be observed in planting trees, market demands for fruits, and famous orchard farms in the country. An orchard is a portion of land planted with fruit trees or nut trees. It is also known as fruit farm. Therefore, an orchard can have any kind of growing trees and fruit-bearing trees for profitable production. Growing fruit trees require lots of things, but your efforts will be rewarded with a delicious crop of mangoes, jackfruits, bananas, or another tasty treat. To obtain good harvest, you need to understand the different environmental factors that affect the growth of trees. The natural habitat of a given tree is a combination of environmental factors which includes the physical and chemical properties of the soil, air, light, rainfall, temperature, gravity, as well as other plants and animals. There are elements to be observed in planting trees. First, proper care of plants and soil. Choose the best place for planting and the best seeds that best suit the season and the soil. Put sufficient fertilizers in the soil before planting. Take care of the soil and the plants regularly. Second, methods of planting. Different trees are planted in different ways. Direct planting. The seed or any propagating part of a plant is directly planted in the soil where it will germinate and grow into full-grown trees. Indirect planting. The newly germinated seedlings are allowed to grow in the nursery until such time that they are ready to be transplanted in the field. Third, preparing seeds for planting. Different seeds have different preparation before planting. Example, placing the seeds under the sun. Remove from their hard shells before planting. Dried before planting. Soak in water, etc. Fourth, preparation of seedlings before planting. Letter A, thinning. To produce strong plants, pull out some crowded seedlings. B. Pricking. This is done when transferring seedlings from one seed box to another to provide more space for proper development. Letter C. Hardening. The process of gradual exposure of seedlings to sunlight, which is done 7 to 15 days before transplanting. Let's study about market demands for fruits. To ensure success in selling fruits, the farmer or seller should consider the following market demands. First, buyer selects fruits and other products of good quality, usually based on size, shape, and appearance. Second, good quality fruits have the same appearance, size, stage of maturity, state of freshness, and shape. Third, Fruits should be in the freshest state when being sold. They can command higher prices. Fourth, pack fruits properly in good container to maintain their freshness and to avoid cuts, bruises, and blemishes. And fifth, price your products based on the current price on the market. Going with the current market price makes your product competitive. Here are famous orchard farms in the country. The first one is Rosa Farms, a sprawling 12.5 hectare farm located at kilometer 156 National Highway, San Marcelino and San Antonio boundary, Zambales. The property was purchased by David Jackson and Rosa Magsaysay way back in the 1920s. By 2011, the farm was renamed as Rosa Farms under the management of Ding and Nelda Zulueta. Today, it is not just an ordinary mango orchard but an agritourism destination as well as venue for team building and corporate events, camping and family outing, educational tours, rest and recreation. Another famous orchard farms in the country is Gapus Grapes Farms. Cirilo Gapus started the business in the 1980s to provide for his family. 30 years on, the farm has produced beyond expectations. The family also helped neighboring farmers and interested locals in planting grapes. The farm is in Barangay Urayong, Bawang, La Union. Another famous orchard farms in the country is Rock Farm. If you are from Sanquis, Hamlin, and Fongcan variety, then visit Rock Farm at Cafe Bodega in Stanton Road, Sagada Mountain Province. Entrance fee is 50 pesos. You can eat as much as you want inside the farm. Orange picking season is from November to February. Another famous orchard farms in the country is the Philippine Mango Seedling Farm Corporation or PMSFC, a family-owned and operated agricultural enterprise situated in the border of Candaba, Pampanga and Baliwag, Bulacan. The company was established mainly for three objectives. Number 1, environmental preservation through youth education. Number 2, strengthening of the mango industry by ensuring the constant and sustainable supply of mango produce. And number 3, livelihood enhancement through corporate involvement by promoting mango farming. And now let us proceed to learning task 1. Draw a happy face if the statement shows elements to be observed in planting trees and fruit-bearing trees. A sad face if the statement is wrong. Do this on a separate sheet of paper. Number 1. Put insufficient fertilizers in the soil before planting. Is it a happy face or a sad face? Very good. The correct answer is sad face because insufficient is wrong. It should be sufficient. Put sufficient fertilizers in the soil. Number 2. Proper care of plants and soil is important for a healthy and bountiful harvest. Is it a happy face or sad face? Very good. The correct answer is happy face. Number 3. Newly germinated seedlings are allowed to be transplanted in the field. Is it a happy face or a sad face? Very good. The correct answer is sad face because the correct sentence is newly germinated seedlings are allowed to grow in the nursery, not allowed to be transplanted in the field. Number 4. Pricking is the process of gradual exposure of seedlings to sunlight. Is it a happy face or a sad face? What is the correct answer? Very good. The correct answer is sad face. Because pricking is incorrect. It should be hardening. And number 5, take care of the soil and the plants regularly. Is it a happy face or a sad face? Very good. The correct answer is happy face. Learning Task 2. Read the statement carefully. Choose the letter of the correct answer and write them in your answer sheet. Number 1. It is one of the most challenging activities in orchard gardening. A. Planting. B. Harvesting. C. Marketing. D. Selling. What is the correct answer? Very good. The correct answer is letter A. Planting. Number 2. What are the characteristics of fruits to be harvested to reach the market in a good condition? A. Unripe fruits. B. With bruises and blemishes. C. Fruits of good quality and maturity. D. Fruits that are very ripe. What is the correct answer? Very good. The correct answer is letter C. Fruits of good quality and maturity. Number 3. Why fruits should be harvested carefully? A. To avoid cuts that may lead to rotting. B. To sell easily in the market. C. To consume time. And D. To meet the market demand. What is the correct answer? Very good. The correct answer is letter A. To avoid cuts that may lead to rotting. Number 4. These are the elements to be observed in planting trees. First, proper care of plants and soil. Second, methods of planting. Third, preparing seeds for planting. And fourth, preparation of seedlings before planting. What is the correct answer? Is it A. First and second elements? B. First, third, and fourth elements? C. First, second, and third elements? And letter D. All of the above. What is the correct answer? Very good. The correct answer is letter D. All of the above. And number 5. The following statements are the market demands for fruits, except one, which does not belong to the group. A. Buyer selects fruits and other products of good quality, usually based on size, shape, and appearance. B. Good quality fruits have the same appearance, size, stage of maturity, state of freshness, and shape. C. Fruits should be in the freshest state when being sold. D. Pack fruits improperly in good container to maintain their freshness and to avoid cuts, bruises, and blemishes. What is the correct answer? Very good. The correct answer is letter D. This is not belong to the group. For learning task 3, fill out the table with the information of the famous orchard farms in the country. Write your answer in a whole pad paper. In the first column, we have here the different name of the orchard or farm. In the second column, write their location. Third column, write the name of the owner. And in fourth column, write the kind of trees or plants planted. The first name is Rosa Farm. Their location is San Marcelino, San Antonio boundary, Zambales. The owner are David Jackson and Rosa Magsaysay. Kind of trees and plants planted are mangoes. The second name of the farm is Gapus Grapes Farm. Location, Barangay Urayong, Bawang, La Union. Owner, Cirilo Gapus. Kind of trees and plants planted are grapes. Another name of the farm is Rock Farm. Location, Stanton Road, Sagada Mountain Province. Owner, unknown. Kind of trees or plants planted are oranges. Another farm is the Philippine Mango Seedling Farm Corporation. Location, the border of Candaba, Pampanga and Baliwag, Bulacan. Owner, family-owned. Kind of trees or plants planted are mangoes. Remember, an orchard is a portion of land planted with fruit trees or nut trees. It is also known as fruit farm. Therefore, an orchard can have any kind of growing trees and fruit-bearing trees for profitable production. Growing fruit trees require lots of things, but your efforts will be rewarded with a delicious crop of mangoes, jackfruits, bananas, or another tasty treat. So kids, do you understand our lesson for today? Wow! Good job! Kids, I hope you learn a lot from this lesson. Until our next topic, bye-bye kids! Thanks for watching!